Hello student, today let us learn how to balance a disproportionation reaction. So there are certain rules for balancing a disproportionation reaction. The first one is, in a given reaction we have to find out the oxidation number and we have to identify which element is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. Again, second, we have to separate the elements undergoing oxidation and reduction reaction. After that, our third step consists of balancing the number of atoms. You have to remember one thing: while balancing the number of atoms, we should not consider what oxygen and hydrogen. Apart from oxygen and hydrogen, we have to balance the number of atoms. Now, in the case of balancing, in the case of oxygen, to balance oxygen, we have to add H2O. And in balancing hydrogen, we have to add what? We have to add H plus ion. After completing the first four steps, we have to add both the reaction. So these are the general rules for balancing a disproportionation reaction. Let us take an example. Now the given example is this one. Cl2 plus OH minus gives ClO minus plus Cl minus. We have to what? We have to balance this reaction. Now the first rule is what? We have to find out the oxidation number and we have to identify which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. So in this case you can see Cl2, it will be 0. Why? Because it is in the elemental state. Again, in this case you can see what is the oxidation number. Let Cl be X plus, we know that for oxygen it is -2 -1, or X equal to what? X will be equal to our +1. So what is that here? Here it is +1 and here it is what? Here it is Cl minus. So in this case you can see that the chlorine is undergoing what? The chlorine is undergoing, in this case the chlorine is undergoing oxidation. There is increase in number. So it is oxidation, and in this case the chlorine is undergoing what? The chlorine is undergoing reduction. So you can see that the disproportionation reaction means the same element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction. So the first step we have completed, that is we have found out the oxidation number. Now the second step consists of what? We have to write separately the oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction. So you can see that what is our oxidation reaction? It is Cl2 giving ClO minus. This is our what? This is our oxidation reaction. And considering our reduction reaction, what is our reduction reaction? Reduction is again Cl2 what? Cl2 has been converted to, it has reduced and it is forming what? Cl minus. Now what was our third step? You can see here, what is the third step? After writing the oxidation and reduction reaction separately, we have to balance the number of atoms. Other than what? Other than oxygen and hydrogen. So in this case you can see that in the third step, this one is what? This one is 2Cl2. So there are 2 Cl, but here only one is there. So we can write it as what? We can write it as 2ClO minus. Similarly for reduction also, it is 2Cl2. So in this case we can write it as what? We can write it as 2Cl minus. Now moving on to our fourth step. Before moving to the fourth step, what we have to do? We have to balance the number of electrons, the negative charges, that is we have to balance. So you have to remember one thing, from 0 to +1 if happening, then what is that? It is oxidation and electron is getting reduced. And again, if 0 to -1 is there, that means what? It is a reduction. -1 means what? Reduction means what? One electron is being added to the given species. So in this case, we have to first balance the what? We have to balance the electrons. So we can write it as, thus you can see that what is that? Cl2 gives 2ClO minus plus 2 electron. What is here? -2 electron is there, and here oxidation is taking place. So we can write it as, we have to move on to our fourth step. What is our fourth step? We have to balance this oxygen. And how we are balancing the oxygen? We are balancing the oxygen by adding what? By adding H2O. So in this case you can see that Cl2 plus H2O gives what? Gives 2ClO minus plus 2 electron. Now in this case you see how many oxygen is there? 2 oxygen are there. So it will be what? Cl2 plus 2H2O gives 2ClO minus plus 2 electron. Now we have to balance hydrogen also. Here how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen are there. So hydrogen is balanced by adding what? It is balanced by adding H plus ions. So let it be our equation 1. Here you can see that in both the case the charge is 0. Here what is that? It is in the elemental state. So here our charge is what? Here you can see it is 0. Here also 0. So here our charge is 0. Similarly here what is that? Minus 2 plus minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 4 0. Here also what is that? Our charge is minus 2 plus minus 2 plus this one is what? This one is our 4. So here also charge is what? Here also charge is 0. So this is our which part? This is our oxidation part. Now let us see the reduction part. In the reduction part we had written it. What was our reduction part? Reduction part was Cl2 giving what? Cl minus, and or we will be getting Cl2 is what? Cl2 is equal to 2Cl minus. So here on balancing the electron we will be getting what? We will be getting Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Since it has undergone reduction, it will be what? It will be 2Cl minus. Let it be our equation 2. Now what is our fifth step? We have to add equation 1 and equation 2. So what was our equation 1 that we had got? Cl2 plus 2H2O gives 2ClO minus plus 2 electron plus 4H plus. This was our equation 1. And now what is the second equation that we have got? Cl2 plus 2 electron gives what? 2Cl minus. This is our equation 2. So according to our fifth step, we have to add equation 1 and equation 2. So on adding these two equation, we will be getting, on adding these two equation, what is that? We will be having Cl2, it will be what? It will be 2Cl2 plus 2H2O, and what about this 2 electron? This 2 electron will get cancelled out. So we will be having 2ClO minus plus 2Cl minus plus what? Plus 4H plus. Now here you can see that the common term is 2. So if we take the simple ratio, we will be getting what? We will be getting Cl2 plus H2O gives what? ClO minus plus Cl minus plus 2H plus. Now this reaction, since you can see that here is an H plus ion is there, we can say that here since an H plus ion is there, we can say that this reaction is in which medium? This reaction is in acidic medium. Now using the same rule, we can find out the basic medium also. How can we find the basic medium? Just remember you that for finding the basic medium, what we have to do? We have to add OH minus ion. To find out the basic medium, what we have to do? We have to add the OH minus ion. Now where you will be adding the OH minus ion, or how many OH minus you will be adding? How many H plus ions are there? That much OH minus you can add on the same side. So we will be getting what? We will be getting here Cl2 plus, we can write it as Cl2 plus, what is that? H2O plus how many OH minus ions should add? We should add 2 because 2 H plus ions are there. So it will be 2 OH minus ions will give ClO minus plus Cl minus plus 2H plus what is that? It is 2 OH minus. So here you can see that 2H plus and 2 OH minus, that we can write it as what? We can write it as plus 2H2O. Instead of 2H plus and 2OH minus, we can directly write it as what? 2H2. Just wait, we will be writing it like this. What is that? It is our 2H plus. So we can say that If it is in the basic medium, we have to add OH minus on both sides. And how many OH minus we should add? It should be equal to the number of H plus ion. So our reaction becomes Cl2 plus H2O plus 2 OH minus, because 2 H plus ions are there, gives ClO minus plus Cl minus plus 2H plus what? Plus 2 OH minus. Now this 2H plus and 2 OH minus can be written as what? H plus and OH minus, that will become our what? It will become our H2O. So our reaction will become Cl2 plus H2O plus 2 OH minus gives what? ClO minus plus Cl minus plus what? Plus 2 H2. So here H2 is there, here also H2 is there. So our final reaction in the basic medium will be what? Cl2 plus 2 OH minus gives ClO minus plus Cl minus plus what is that? 2H2O minus H2O. It will be our H2. So this is the balanced reaction in the case of which medium? In the basic medium for the disproportionation reaction. Hope these things are clear. Thank you.